everybody, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the procedure to log into your Instagram account. In order to log into your Instagram account, you need to follow this simple steps. So what you need to do is, in order to log into your Instagram account, you actually need to first of all make sure to install the app. Head over to your respective app store and then type in Instagram on the search bar and install it. After you're done installing the application, click on the open button and the interface will look something like this. So here what you want to do is simply click on the login button at the bottom of the page. Type in your username, email address or phone number and the password associated with that and click on the login button. If the information seems to be valid enough, then you'll have successfully logged into your Instagram account. And for some reason, if you're unable to log in, you could try updating your password or contacting support in order to fix the issue. So this is the way you can log in. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.